Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a little bit, so I wanted to do an E30 update. Not much has really changed besides I got this bash bar, some fenders, and a hood. Actually, the fenders were probably in last video, but both of these came off a parts car. I finally got my PurOl Motorsports dash and door cards and the sunroof delete panel. They're okay. The door cards came damaged. One of the corners over there came damaged, so that's a little disappointing. I really like the rear door cards. I think they fit really, I don't say they fit really well, but they do. They really flow well with the car. The fronts are okay. If Red Eye Garage was still producing their metal ones, I probably would have ordered those. As for the dash, you get what you pay for kind of thing. It's a good deal. I had to wait 3 months for it. I'm thinking of just reselling it and going with a different one by M2 or 2M Auto Works down in San Diego. It's a lot more expensive, but it has all the mounting holes already there, so there's less modification needed. So if you're interested in the dash, hit me up. I'll give you the price. If you follow my Instagram at the Mass Driver, you know I have these new Pro Sport gauges. I sold my Intellitronics ones. I'm pretty happy with them. The Intellitronics ones are glass, or they have a glass lens, so that's always going to be better than a plastic one. But I'm happy with them, and I am also doing a custom cluster with them, which I will show you a little sneak peek over here. It's not going to be, it's going to be black. Mako Motorsports in Australia is making me a custom backplate to fit into an OEM dash. So that should be here hopefully in a week. But if it gets delayed and it gets shipped by sea, it'll be here in about a month. So I'm still waiting on my JP fiberglass over fenders. There's not much I can do about that. The Dominican Republic is not letting any flights in or out, so he cannot ship those. Classic Europe Parts has kind of the same problem. I like to order an MTech 2 kit from them, but they can't ship any large items. So kind of just waiting on the car. It's been sitting for, I'd say a month or two now, and I finally got to, work on it today. I sold my exhaust on it, and then was just going open headers, and that was awful. Didn't sound bad, but the car just didn't like it. So I've been waiting till I got this parts car that had a full 2.5 exhaust. So we're doing that temporarily until I can get my, let's see if we can squeeze back here. All these parts, a lot of these parts are for sale or for another build. Wink, wink. But I have a full Super Sprint E30 M3 mid pipe that I'm going to be custom doing with the Ireland Engineering race headers, the long tube headers, and the shorty headers. So we'll get a nice comparison video of all three of those. There's a close-up on the cluster. But other than that, still waiting on parts. I am looking for a full Z3M, M Coupe, or an M Roadster rear end. So if anyone has a lead on that, I'm looking for everything. Don't really care for the subframe, but if it can sell with the subframe, I'll buy it. Needs to have axles, brakes, e-brake line, and a diff. So either I'm going to buy that separately, which is going to be expensive, or I might just buy a full M Roadster and just part it out I've been looking for one of those. Was going to bid on one, but I decided not to go through with it. But so yeah, and then we have the E36 M3 and 318i. That project will be announced shortly, maybe in a week or two. Need to finish parting out this 325 ES. So I got a ton of parts in. Got clusters, door cards. Got a ton of wheels. Style 5s, I got 2 sets. I got style 37s, I believe, and then these are style 37s. And then style 36s or 32s. I'll put whatever it's supposed to be up. But I got some doors, dashes, front center consoles, 5-lug, some subframes for Garagistic, 2 diffs for sale. If you want to convert your disc brakes to hydraulic, got some rear trailing arms, and then I just got a bunch of other, miscellaneous parts. So if there's something you need, hit me up on Instagram at @TheMassDriver or at @RageItParts. So that's a little update on the car. I'm hoping to get stuff moving soon, but I've just been really busy with the new shop to really even get to work on this. But should come together fairly quickly once parts start coming in. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions and down in the comment section down below. Have a good day.